Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to download and install the Mafia City mod menu for free on both iOS and Android. This mod unlocks all the best hacks in Mafia City, including unlimited gold, VIP levels, and instant upgrades, perfect for dominating the game on any device. With this Mafia City++ mod, you'll gain access to unlimited resources and gold, instant building upgrades, unlock all VIP levels. This is one of the most powerful Mafia City hacks available right now, and it works seamlessly across both iPhone and Android. Before starting, make sure your Mafia City app is updated to the latest version. Just head to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for updates. Running the newest version ensures the mod menu works without issues. Once your game is up to date, go to the pinned comment below. I've included the exact instructions and download link for Mafia City++. Follow the steps carefully, and you'll have the mod menu installed in minutes. That's it for today's tutorial. Enjoy your new Mafia City mod menu, and I'll see you in the next video.